Every failure brings with it the seed of an equivalent success. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet. What we call failure is not the falling down, but the staying down. Only those who dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. Never walk away from failure. On the contrary, study it carefully and imaginatively for its hidden assets. Take chances, make mistakes. That's how you grow. Pain nourishes your courage. You have to fail in order to practice being brave. Failure is the condiment that gives success its flavor. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. It is hard to fail, but it is worse never to have tried to succeed. Just because you fail once doesn't mean you are gonna fail at everything. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying. I haven't failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. It's failure that gives you the proper perspective on success. There is no failure except in no longer trying. Failures are fingerposts on the road to achievement. Failure should be our teacher, not our undertaker. Failure is delay, not defeat. It's a temporary detour, not a dead end. Failure is something we can avoid only by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness.